it's a quick one really about moving off, not about the feet, but about the safety side of it, because lots of people will come back with, say, little faults and they, oh, I've got a moving off safety here, what's that about? And I say, well, so it could be you're not checking your right shoulder, or it could be you're not checking what's happening around you when you're moving off. But I'm checking every time there's there. So let me just kind of cover little things for you. So when you're about to move from the side of the road, you've got to say, right, well, let's do my 5-point check. Take out left blind spot, left mirror, centre mirror, right mirror, and right shoulder, and I'm about to go at that point. Now, if you delay moving off because of something coming towards you or someone crossing the road and you're about to move off again, then there's no reason why you can't check again. Minimum is check the right shoulder and signal the people around. You know, don't pull in front of cars. So when you check your mirrors behind you and you think, oh, there's a car coming past there, I'm just going to wait a few seconds, then that's all you've got to do. Let them get past you. And if people are walking towards you, or cars are coming towards you, or cars in the distance, and you're thinking, well, I've got plenty of time to get out, I'm going to show a signal, check my shoulder, and release the handbrake to go. And that's what I've got to do, you know, safety side of it. And bear in mind also what's going on the side of the road, beyond the paths, not just the road itself, because it could be, because people say, you don't just check your left blind spot because you're checking your mirrors in your right shoulder, you'll be fine. But it could be on your left blind spot, you've got driveways or a junction just behind you. So you need to be aware of what's going to happen there in the next few seconds. So if you check over your left side and you see a junction there, then you're thinking the car might come around the corner. Or you see a driveway, you see a guy reversing or driving off the driveway. It's probably going to go around you and carry on going because they see you as parked up at that point. So these are the things you've got to remember. Otherwise, you're going to pull off and someone's trying to go around you. All right? And another one that people do wrong is they're about to pull off and they stall. So they go, oh, I've stalled. Clutch down, restart the car, and then they're going gas and go. Recheck. Make sure it's safe. Don't just shoot off. Okay, so it's a quick one about safety. Keep yourself safe and you'll be fine. Good luck on the driving test and stay focused.